Palanga! I'm so excited to open our new Blume surprise. The other one that we opened. Now here's the next one. Wonder what's inside. So here we go. Can you guys see it? Put a thumbs up. So we're going to show you slowly. Here is the watering can with the little tiny heart. So we're going to open it. Who is going to be inside? We're going to put it down. You need an adult to help you with scissors too. So we're going to show you. So here we got it. So we're going to open it. Scissors.
Do you want me to help you?
I think yeah.
Okay,
Here.
let me see the scissors. Can I borrow the scissors?
Yes. For your balloon surprise because it needs water.
Here it goes. You can open the rest.
So I'm gonna show you the rest. And he's gonna my sister back so I can need it for something. So we're gonna open this. Just open it. Okay, so we're gonna pull the top out. Woo. Okay, so we have the watering can. Here's the watering can. Hope you can see it, please. So you can see it. Here's the instructions. Put the instructions down. Let me show you this again. So here it is in the tiny one. Here is the bowl. So they stuck together. So here, this is it. You can see like one tiny hole in this. That's for sucking the water. Here we go. And we put this down. It's standing. Now we are going to show you the water again. Here is the water that we're going to use. It's in the next one. So we are going to pull this, take out this thing, the stickers. We're going to water it. Boop, boop. So here it is, the bowl to water it. It has a picture of you have to water it. That's how I know to water it. Okay, we're going to get the water, open it. Now I'm going to spin it a tiny bit. So, if you have a video, you have to do this. So, just follow my instructions. You have to put like this much water. Put a little amount of water. And the bloom might bloom. Look, it's blooming. It's pink. It might be a crystal. Ooh, it's a girl. Ah. But anyway, yeah, take this out. That's stuck to me. So here is our balloon surprise. She has a little blue. You can see it. So this is her back of her hair. You see that cute little flower? So beautiful. This is her stuff. So we're gonna put her down. Open up this. So you're just gonna open all the paper. We're gonna open up the picture. We're gonna go back. Or wait, let me show you. So we're gonna pull this like in the last one. Anybody about the hose?
So you just pull it.
Yeah, so you took off the paper. These are the stickers. These are the ladybug. You see it? So cute. So, ready? Okay, so you just pulled it. And we're going to show you on the side. So this is the inside. Can you see it? There is a mystery box inside. Here we go. There, as you remember, there's clothes and other stuff. Mystery! Okay. We are going to open the top. Top is very easy. Just go on the bottom. Just go on the top. Peel off this extra. Okay, now pull out the side that's opened. Oop. She has this cute little blue dress, isn't it? Oh, beautiful. Put it down. Wait, put it straight. Here we go. so you can see the beautiful dress. You can see the touches to it. It's so pretty. Can't wait to put it on my doll. Okay, here we go in the shoes. Boop. Oh, blue shoes. Here are the blue shoes. Blue shoes. Here's the other side. The blue little shoes. Let me show you. Okay. There you go. I hope you can see it. Put those things away. Open. We're gonna see what else is in the mystery box. Peel this off. And there's a teeny tiny little toy stuffed animal. It's a little ice cream. Here it is. Hope you can see it. Can you see it? Okay, good. Here it is. We're gonna hold its feet, and there we go. Put this down, and we're going to open the last one. It's a little tree. You can see it. Can you see it? That's the last one we're gonna open. So we're gonna open it up, and guess what's inside? It's a purse. It's so tiny. Here's the purse, and here's the ball. Oh, fall. There we go. Now we're going to put this away. You can. This is also her house. You can make everything. So here it is. Okay. So let's dress up our dolls. So we are going to hold her head. So let's just put away this away. We're going to put on her dress. So we're going to open up it. We're going to put it in. So make sure you put the holes. We put the hands inside the holes. Open this up. Put it inside the holes. Make sure her arms are like this. One arm at a time. Put this like that. We're going to open it up. Open. Loop. And the other hand. So we're going to put it up. So here it is. Our beautiful doll with her beautiful. So here it is. Our beautiful doll with her beautiful dress. We're going to get the other things like the shoes. Her blue shoes. Let's put on the shoes. Boop. Like that. And the other one, it's the same. Like this. Boop. Here we show it. Here we go. There it is. Hope you can see it. But another time. Here is the tiny purse. Tiny purse. Boop. We're going to put the purse like that. And this is her. Her beautiful purse and everything. Is the final touches. So there we go. So we're going to grab our other one. Let me just open it. Here we go. Here it is. Now. So here is the first doll. And here's the last doll that we're. Here it is. Inside. You can open it and here we go. I'm going to show it again. Here's the other one. There might be another mystery side. So we're going to put it again. That way. We're going to show this beautiful dress. We're going to show the shoes. Here is the dress. Here is the little pant worker thing, maybe. Here's the shoes that you can also see. Let's put it on the doll. Okay. So first, what we're gonna do is going to put. So we're gonna put it inside. Okay, like that. Okay. we're gonna put the dress right here. There we go. So there, it's the dress. Here are the tiny sandals. Okay, here are the tiny sandals. See? Okay. Put on our doll. Okay. Put one side. There. Now let's get our other one. We have and put it. Okay. Now we have two of the shoes on her. And this is what she looks like with her shoes. And there, that's what she looks like. Good, isn't it? Now, let's get her out and show you. Okay, so there's another surprise. Let's open the tiny one. Okay, it's a purse. Another one. Okay. Show you. The next one, we're going to open the last one. Okay. Open it up. Now, let's get her tiny toy. Aw, it's tiny little seashell. Look it. It's so cute. I'm gonna name her Shelly. This is Shelly, but for everything. And this is Shelly with her purse. Oh. Here comes the two Blume surprise. You can see the green one and the blue one. Aren't they pretty? Put them down. Before we go, we have one more last one. One more last one. So we are going to got a fidget. We got LOL Poppets. So we're gonna open this like that. Take out the star, our pink star. Okay. This is our pink star fidget that we got. Let me show you. There. Now we have one more. And here is our heart. And here was our star. Heart star. Here it is. So excited to pop them. You can pop these fidgets. And it's really fun to pop all these little tiny. It's really fun popping these. Can't wait until the video is done to pop all of these fidgets. Bye! Bye, Manga Punks. See you in my next video. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye! Hello guys, we're showing you the instructions. There's 22 dolls to find. Blume dolls to find. So I got Sedona and May. Yeah, those two dolls. And here the instructions how to bloom. So there's 4 types of doll: mystical, super rare, rare, and adorable. So I got adorable. I loved the adorable because you know why they call it adorable? Because it's adorable. Let me show you, please. Let me show you the name of it. There we go. And let me show you it again. Okay. Here it is.